Welcome to the video demo for my team's 2025 TartanHacks project we like to call Tartanmon, which is a kind of interactive CV Pokemon battle simulator which allows the users to play without actually having to touch their computer at all. They can just use their hands. So if you see me in the top right corner, I can hold up my pointer finger to actually control where the mouse goes. This will be how the user kind of selects which Tartanmon they want to play as and how they actually get past the starting screen. So if you want to click the start button, all you have to do is move your pointer finger over and then hold up two fingers to click. And this will bring you to this kind of info guide page that just outlines the different moves you can do, how you actually do them with different hand gestures, a little detail about the game in general. I'm just going to skip past this because I already know this information. And that will bring you to the actual selection screen where you could choose which Tartanmon you want to play as. I'm just going to choose Bulbasaur. And then at this point, you're actually going to have to send the Tartanmon out of the Pokeball onto the battlefield, and you can do this by doing kind of throwing motion, and that will send Bulbasaur out onto the battleground. At this point, the user can choose from four different moves to do with their hands to do different moves in the game. So I'll demonstrate some of those in this video. One of them is like a triangle, and in this case for Bulbasaur, it's Vine Whip, but that motion in general have a different name across the different Tartanmon. Another one you could do is this kind of fist to hand, which is generally the weakest move. And then I'm gonna get attacked. And the most strong move then is this one. It's kind of hard to fit in screen sometimes, but that would be Razor Leaf in Bulbasaur's case. It generally does about 7 damage. And then the last motion you could do to kind of build up your attack power is called Swords Dance, and you do that by doing a backwards butterfly motion. And this doesn't actually attack the opponent, it just allows you to build up your power. But as you can see, I got defeated anyway, so it's going to bring me back to this screen where I have to choose another Tartanmon to play as. So I'll just choose Charmander and send him out. But let's say I made an accident and I didn't actually want to play as Charmander. I wanted to choose Squirtle. Um, well, lucky for the user, you can just kind of retract that Pokemon out of the battlefield by doing a grabbing and swiping motion, and that will bring me back to the selection screen where I can go over and select Squirtle and send him out. So at this point, you can kind of just play the game by doing different hand motions. That one is Water Gun in Squirtle's case. Another is like the tackle one again. But in this case, it's Tail Whip, and I'll get attacked again. And whatever move the opponent kind of does is just random. I'll do this one again. Let's see. Tail Whip again. I think I'm going to get defeated on this one too. So I might have to bring Charmander back out. And that should finish him off. Yep. So Squirtle fainted. I have my last Tartanmon. I'm going to send him out. And let's see if I can do Flamethrower. I think this one is. Yep. And one more of those should be enough. Let's see. Ugh. There we go. Rattata fainted, and we have won the game. So if you want to play again, you can just select the play again button, and that will bring you back to the start screen. But that is basically how the game works. That is Tartanmon. Thank you.